Hi everyone, this is Professor Barlow. I want to show you how to access feedback on your essays once they have been graded. First thing, of course, you need to go to your grades page. This page will list all the grades that you've gotten so far, daily work and essays. If you scroll down, you will find short story essay number 2 has been graded. That's the good news. Bad news is it got a 0. Oh no, what happened? Well, you can find out what happened several ways. This right here, this little icon will take you directly to the rubric. This will take you to the instructor comment. This symbol here will take you to the Unicheck report. Or you can see all of them by clicking on the actual assignment. Now, this is the grade page. Up here, you will see the show rubric, which will show you exactly the grades, the points, everything up to it was an 80. The paper was an 80, a B, not bad. If you want to know why it got a 0, then check out the instructor comment. I point out that they're excellent examples, could use some more development. And then I tell the writer that the essay contains plagiarized language and plagiarized information. If you want to see exactly what was plagiarized, there are 2 ways to do this. This symbol right here is the Unicheck report. Click on it and it will take you to the actual report. Now you'll see on the report 2 kinds of highlighting. The orange highlighting is saying that the Unicheck found this exact sentence in a source. And if you want to know what the source is, you can click on this and it shows you the actual source. You can actually pull it up and check it. Some of them are blue. Some of them are blue, which are saying that, well, we're not really sure, but there are some indications here this might be plagiarized. One indication being there's a bracketed thing here. So that's going to be up to you to check it. For some of them, you will click on it and you'll see, yep, it's word for word, but you put quotation marks around it, right? So actually, this is okay. This is not plagiarized. So you can keep checking, if there are quotation marks around it, then you're fine. See, this one's got quotation marks. But some of them do not. This right here, this one sentence alone will cause problems. Another way to see the plagiarism is to look on my feedback. So, view feedback and scroll down. You will see there are all kinds of marks and symbols. I highlight plagiarized language in pink, and then in yellow I highlight plagiarized information. This is information from a source, but there's no source given, and I will point that out. You click over a little bit and you'll see it will take you to the actual comment for here. So in addition to plagiarism, you will see other things highlighted, little symbols and things. Anything with a blue dot like this is a grammar issue. Anything in a purple dot is a comment on the content. Anything in an orange dot is a style issue. So that is how you see feedback on your essay. Now, this is a literature paper, which means that the student who wrote this has the option to do a revision of the essay, fix the problems, and get rid of that 0 for a better grade. If you have any questions on, the grade or anything, you can always ask me here by adding a comment or just drop me an email. Anyway, that's how you see the feedback on your essays.